Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. We feel great about a job well done, but we feel even better knowing someone took the time and care to write about their experience online and leave us a 5-star review. It's simply a win-win for everyone. Every time we receive a positive review, it's like receiving an award of achievement, and that's inspiring. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.